You've heard it 1,000 times. Eat your eggs for protein. And yes, eggs are great, but what if I told you there's a surprising food that fights muscle loss even better, especially after age 60? Most people completely overlook this one. It's not trendy, it's not flashy, but it's loaded with the exact nutrients aging muscles desperately need. And no, it's not steak or supplements either. If you're tired of feeling weaker, slower, or like your body just isn't bouncing back like it used to, keep watching. This could be a game changer. Let's get real. Muscle loss isn't just about looking toned or strong, it's about staying independent. After age 60, your body naturally starts losing muscle every year. It's called sarcopenia, and it affects nearly 1 in 3 older adults. But here's the scary part. It sneaks up silently. You might notice it as, feeling unsteady on stairs, maybe struggling to get up from a chair, losing grip strength, or just plain feeling tired and a bit off. Left unchecked, this leads to falls, fractures, hospital visits, and honestly, losing the ability to live on your own. So if you're over 60, preserving muscle isn't a luxury, it's survival. Eggs are a great source of protein, don't get me wrong. They're cheap, easy to cook, and have a high biological value. But relying on eggs alone won't cut it, especially after 60. Why? Because aging muscles need more than just protein. They need specific amino acids, anti-inflammatory compounds, and micronutrients that eggs alone can't fully provide. And that's where this forgotten food comes in. Yep, lentils. These tiny legumes are one of the most powerful muscle-supporting foods for older adults, and hardly anyone talks about them. Why are lentils better than eggs in many ways? Let's break it down. High in plant protein. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils has about 18 grams of protein. That's more than 2 eggs. Rich in leucine, an essential amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis. Your body needs leucine to build muscle. Packed with fiber helps regulate blood sugar and reduce inflammation, both key factors in preventing muscle breakdown. Loaded with iron and magnesium, critical minerals for muscle function and energy production. Totally cholesterol-free, great for heart health as well. Plus, lentils are cheap, easy to cook, and shelf-stable. That means really, no excuses. In a recent study comparing plant-based proteins to animal proteins in older adults, researchers found that a diverse protein intake, especially from legumes like lentils, was more effective at preserving lean muscle mass than eggs alone. Why? Because lentils offer both muscle-building amino acids and antioxidants that reduce chronic inflammation, something animal protein doesn't always do. Inflammation is a hidden enemy of muscle health, and lentils help fight it naturally. Absolutely. The myth that plant protein isn't complete has been debunked. Yes, lentils are lower in certain amino acids, but when you combine them with foods like rice, quinoa, or even nuts and seeds, you actually get a complete protein profile that really rivals what you'd find in meat or eggs. And here's the thing, your body doesn't need complete proteins at every single meal, it just needs them throughout the day. So, if you're eating a balanced, varied diet, lentils fit in beautifully. After 60, digestion slows down. Some seniors find it hard to digest meat or eggs, especially if they have gallbladder or gut issues. But lentils? They're actually gentle on digestion and support gut health with their prebiotic fiber. This really helps you absorb more nutrients, reduce bloating, and feel fuller for longer. That's definitely a win for both your muscles and your stomach. If you've never cooked with lentils before, don't worry, it's honestly pretty easy. Here are a few senior-friendly ways to add lentils to your day. First, lentil soup. It's warm, soft, and comforting. Just add carrots, garlic, and a bit of turmeric for some extra anti-inflammatory power. Next, try a lentil salad. Mix cooked lentils with cucumber, tomatoes, olive oil, and lemon for a refreshing side dish. Or go for a lentil curry, spiced with ginger and cumin, and serve it with soft rice or sweet potatoes. You can even add cooked lentils into scrambled eggs if you want both worlds. A double protein punch. And yes, you can even blend soft-cooked lentils into smoothies with banana and almond milk. It might sound a little weird, but honestly, it's surprisingly good. So, you should aim for at least 1/2 to 1 cup of cooked lentils daily if you want real results. Eating lentils is powerful, but honestly it works even better when you combine it with a few other smart habits. Like, try some light resistance exercise, lifting light weights or doing bodyweight squats 2 to 3 times a week. Make walking a daily thing. Movement signals your body to preserve muscle. Also, spread your protein intake throughout the day. Don't just eat one big protein meal because your body absorbs it better when it's spaced out. Stay hydrated too. Dehydrated muscles are weaker, so aim to drink at least 6 to 8 cups of water daily. And of course, get enough sleep. Most muscle repair actually happens while you rest. Do these things along with adding lentils to your diet and you'll feel stronger, faster than you might think. Just a quick heads up here. If you're not used to lentils, it's best to start small. Their fiber can, cause a bit of gas or bloating if you introduce them too quickly. Try a 1/4 cup at first and increase gradually. Also, rinse them well and cook until soft. And if you take medication for iron or digestion, talk to your doctor before making major dietary changes. Forget the old idea that eggs are your only muscle-saving food. Lentils may be humble, but they're packed with the fuel your body needs to fight aging from the inside out. They're affordable, versatile, and scientifically backed to support muscle health after 60. So if you're tired of feeling weak or worried about losing strength, add lentils to your plate. You might be surprised by how quickly your body responds. Your muscles, and your future, will thank you.